GPO USB-C GaN charger to C1 USA AC plug 5V2. For a GaN 30W USA AC plug 5V2. 4A. GaN PD3. 0QC4. 0AFCPPS fast charging foldable EDL USA AC plug 5V2. For a GaN USB-C charger for USJP pin. This is a kind of fast charger for Type-C plus USB wall-mounted fast charger 9V2A, 5V4, 5A, 5V3A, 12V1, 5A, 9V23A, 15V1, 2A, 20V1A, 5V4A, GPO USA AC plug 5V2. For a GaN UK can be used at AC 100V to 30V and UK AC plug. Safety protection. Short circuit protection. OVP. OTP. OLP. OCP. Other. Overcharging. Overcurrent. Overvoltage. Welcome you join in us. Looking forward to your contact and advice.